Hello, Wicked Edge users. This is Mark at the Expert Corner, and this is my continued conversation with a Wicked Edge user who's looking to upgrade, and now we were making the videos he was posting. He messaged me, and I want to share that with you. Okay, the difference between the two, because they look alike besides one is taller than the other. First of all, let me talk about the sameness. Both of the Vise systems, whether it be the older Generation 3 Wicked Edge 130 Vise or the newest dual cam Vise, uses this stack array of Belleville washers in this can. The function of these two levered, this one is a rotating lever, and this can is inside of the base. The newer dual cam Vise, the base is underneath where this can goes, and the rotation has been redesigned with some sort of a tricky multiplier that makes it smaller, more compact, and removes this portion, which is the preset for the tension, which squeezes your jaws a little closer so that when you start to do your compression, you're holding the knife right at that point tighter. For those real thin knives that when you're starting way out here, it's a lot to compress. So if you move it closer, the same lever will compress it better. So that's the difference. This is older. And this is what they worked with then, and it worked very well. It was mountains better than the original standard Vise, which worked very well and still does within its limitations. So this is what we had. And as we went forward, Wicked Edge, I'm guessing because of the path they took in their designing, because this is the same height as the Wicked Edge standard Vise. So it's standardized everything in the designs. For the Vise 60 series, you went from the standard Vise right to the dual cam Vise. So it limited all the different parts that were associated with the Wicked Edge 100 series as it grew into the 120, as it went to the 130. The 130 built on the 120, and at the time with the engineering and where they were, like 2017, maybe 2016, this was a tremendous advancement. But in the years since then, using this same array, they sought, I'm guessing, to get everything so that it was standardized. And that's what they have done, even to the Gen 4. The Gen 4, because it's standardized, it does require this pyramid-shaped block underneath it to attach it to the new Gen 4 base. The newer version from the Gen 3, it needed a riser block now because it was shorter, because this originally worked with this. The generations come together. Hence the reason I started these groups talking about the overlap and the paradox that the stuff lasts forever and the new stuff comes out and how it fits together. So to explain it, to make it short, the can works on both, but the age of the design is what made the difference. I'm going to stop here.